Good morning, sir. Myself, Sirisha. I am from Tribly department. Today, my topic is electric braking with DC motors and with AC motors. Coming to the introduction of electric motors, AC and DC motors. Introduction of electric braking. Electric braking is a method used to stop or reduce the speed of electric motors efficiently. It is essential for controlling motor operation in various industrial and transportation applications. In this presentation, explore the techniques used in electric braking for both DC and AC motors. Coming to the types of electric braking. Main three types of electric braking. The main types including regenerative, plugging and dynamic braking. Each method uses electric energy or motor characteristics to dissipate or recover energy. This choice depends on the motor types and application requirements. Coming to the electric braking in DC motors. DC motors utilize braking methods such as regenerative and plugging braking. Regenerative braking feeds energy back into the power supply during acceleration. Plugging involves reversing the armature voltage to rapidly stop the motor. Coming to the regenerative braking in DC motors. Regenerative braking converts the motor into generator during disacceleration. This generates energy is fed back to the power source, improving efficiency. This method is suitable for applications requiring frequent stopping and starting. Coming to the plugging braking in DC motors. Plugging involves reverse the armature or supply voltage to opposes the more rotation. It requires it provides a quick and effective way to stop the motor but causes high torque and heat. Proper circuit design and cooling are necessary to prevent damage during plugging. Coming to the electric braking in AC motors. AC motors commonly uses dynamic or regenerative braking techniques. These methods rarely dissipated the motor's kinetic energy as heat and returning into the supply. This type of AC motors influence the choice for braking methods. Coming to the dynamic braking in AC motors. Dynamic braking involves the disconnecting the motors from supply and connecting into a resistor. The motors the motors act as a generator converting into kinetic energy into heat in the resistor. It is simple, effective and widely used for controlling AC accelerations. Coming to the regenerative braking in AC motors. Regenerative braking in AC motors feed energy back into the power system during the acceleration. It requires specified converts into more complex than dynamic braking. This method is energy efficient and suitable for large scale applications. Coming to the comparison of electric braking methods. Regenerative braking is energy efficient but more complex and costly implement. Plugging provides rapid stopping but generates high heat and torque stress. Dynamic braking is a simple and effective for more industrial applications but dissipated energy was heated. The DC motors break the function on a direct current which is different current from a AC motor brakes. Manufacturing and industrial combines commonly used it due to its equality for being a high-powered machine. This motor brakes uses the revolving armature that returns around the permanent magnet. Coming to the applications of DC braking motors. DC motors can be braking use the following methods. Braking Dynamic braking, the motor disconnected from the power supply and connected a resistor which dissipated the kinetic energy. Regenerative braking, the motor acts as generator feed energy back into the power supply. Plugging, the motor is reversed causing it brake the rapidly. Coming to the AC motor braking applications. Dynamic braking, similar to the DC motors, is disconnected from the power supply and connected to the resistor. Regenerative braking, the motor acts as a generator feeding energy back into the power supply. Plugging, the motor is reversed causing to a bark rapidly. DC injection braking, a DC current is injected into the motors causing it to brake from the system. Thank